guys, it's Angie. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great and are staying safe. And for today's video, I want to share with you guys a dish that we love to have during the warm weather. It is getting really warm here where we live, and during this time we love to have seafood, and one of the dishes that we love to have is fish tacos. We love to have fish tacos anywhere, any place, any given time. We love to have them. So if you guys want to see how it is that I make this recipe, stay tuned. Alright guys, so here are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make my fish tacos. There is a lot of different ways to make fish tacos, you guys. Some people like to grill the fish, some people like to put the fish in the oven, some people like to fry it, and that's what I like to do. I like to fry my fish, and I'm using tilapia, and I'm also using this seafood fry mix for the fish. Also, I like to use flour tortillas for my tacos, and on top of the tacos I like to do like a kind of a coleslaw type of topping, and I make that by using purple cabbage, onion, tomato, and some cucumber, and I add lime to it to add some flavor and to cook it. I also put salt, cumin, and ground pepper to the salad, to the coleslaw. And avocado, the avocado I go ahead and put slices on top of the tacos once I have it all garnished with the coleslaw and the fish in it and everything. So what we're gonna do first, guys, is we're gonna go ahead and start making the coleslaw. That way it can kind of marinate in the lime juice, but we don't want to leave it in the lime juice that long because it will cook it and then make it mushy, and we do not want mushy coleslaw. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I went ahead and washed my veggies off camera and peeled the cucumber off camera as well. So right here I ended up getting about 13 ounces of the purple cabbage to use for a coleslaw. I got half of the white onion, and of course we're gonna use the whole cucumber. So let's go ahead and start shredding this cabbage. We're gonna dice the tomatoes, the cucumber, and we're gonna slice the onion and put it in a container where you guys make sure the container is big enough so you guys can mix all the ingredients in together, and that way they can all get coated nicely with the cumin, the pepper, the lime juice, and the salt. Alright guys, I'll see you when all this is put together. Okay guys, so here is the coleslaw already with the cucumber, the pickles, tomato, the onion, and the purple cabbage. It already has the limes and the pepper and the cumin and the salt added to it as well. I ended up not using about 5 ounces of the red cabbage, you guys. I figured it was going to be way too much than I want, so I took that out. Also, you guys, remember to take the seeds out of the cucumber. You don't want that extra water in it in the coleslaw. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and put this in the fridge so it can stay nice and cool, and we're gonna leave it in there for 15 minutes, you guys, just so that lime won't make the ingredients mushy. And we're gonna get started on frying our fish. Getting ready to fry my fish, I went ahead and put some oil on a skillet and turn on the heat so it can start heating up. Also, I went ahead and added the fish fry mix into a plate. That way it's easier for me to coat the fish. And I went ahead and rinsed the tilapia and I didn't dry, you guys, because the fish fry instructions do recommend that the fish is a little wet so that the fish fry mixture can stick better to it. Alright guys, so I think my oil is hot enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and start dipping in the tilapia. Oh, you guys, I only have 2 tilapia fillets because it's just my husband and I, so we don't need that much fish. So here we go. Get in there, you guys. Don't be afraid to get dirty. Make sure it's... You guys, this is not going to be a pretty it's just a pretty job. So go ahead and don't be afraid to get dirty. Get in there. Make sure the fish is coated completely. And then we're gonna shake it a little, and we're gonna throw it in there. Ooh, can you hear that? That sounds delicious. All right, guys. So I'm gonna meet you guys back when it's time to assemble the tacos. I'm gonna go ahead and finish frying this one and then the other fillet, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so our fish has finished frying, and I went ahead and warmed up some of the flour tortillas, and we're gonna get ready to assemble this tacos. So what I did, guys, I went ahead and made the fish fillet smaller, like cut it up into little pieces so I can put it into tacos. And this is optional, you guys, but we like to do this when we like fish, like tostada ceviche fish or something like that. We like to add mayonnaise to it, so I do like to add mayonnaise to my fish tacos, just very little, not a lot, just to have a little more flavor. So there we go. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our fish to the taco, just like that. Then we're gonna add our coleslaw topping. Make sure we get all of the cucumber and the tomato and the onion with the cabbage. And our avocado. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh yeah, guys, during the time the fish was cooking, I did have the heat at medium-high throughout the whole time the fish was frying, and I had each fillet of fish on each side for 2 minutes. So that's how long they were cooking for. They cooked for a total of 40 minutes and 2 minutes each side. All right. Alright guys, here we have it. Our fish tacos are ready to be enjoyed and devoured by hungry people. I hope you guys try this recipe, and I also hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like the video, and come back next week for more recipes. Bye guys.